How to update Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Play Store in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Play Store. As you can see, this is the home page of the Play Store. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click on your profile picture like this, click on it and click on the settings option. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page right here. You will find many options. Click on the last one, click on about. After you click on it, scroll down and you will find your Play Store version. I have now this one, and if you want to update it, click on update Play Store right here. Very easy and fast, as you can see. Just click update and click got it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.